Good morning, boys and girls. This is Archer, Mrs. Williams' dog. I figured I would come outside this morning on this beautiful morning. Today is Thursday, May 7th, and I just want to say happy Friday Junior to all my Taft wizards. Let's please start our day by standing for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, thank you, boys and girls. So today is May 7th, it's Thursday. Obviously the weather is beautiful out today, so I hope that you get outside. It's actually not even that cold out, so that's good. And tomorrow is field day. So I hope that you guys have been practicing and getting your supplies necessary for field day. Our PE teachers in all 3 elementary schools have worked together to put together some really awesome activities for you. So let's see, some of the events that you can participate in. And this is gonna be in your email again today. And you can also check your PE Google Classroom. You can reach out to your PE teachers if you need more information. And I also put it in an email on Monday. So there's 5 events and you get 1 point for every event that you participate in. And all you need to do is upload a 1-minute video for each event to your PE Google Classroom tomorrow. Not today, but tomorrow. So there's backboard banquet, there's water bottle trap, there's the paper plane cornhole, and the bowl ball. And the last one is penguin race. So hopefully you can participate in some of those activities tomorrow and have fun, get your family involved. There will be no other classwork, no work from your classroom teachers. There'll be no Google Meets tomorrow because we want you to have fun getting physically fit and earning points for your classroom. So have fun doing that tomorrow. And teacher appreciation for today, it's Thankful Thursday. So take a moment today to write a beautiful letter or make a card for any one of your teachers, your classroom teacher, your special area teachers, one of your teaching assistants, one of your related service providers like speech or OT or PT. Take some time today, or even one of your teachers at home. I know a lot of moms and dads are teachers too. Our acceptance quote for today. It says, "What makes you different is what makes you beautiful." So boys and girls, we are all different, and that's what makes each of us beautiful. So please take notice of that today, of each other's differences, and notice each other's beauty in those differences. So now I'm gonna read the letter Y in M is for majestic. So let's see. Archer, do you wanna sit with me? Do you wanna sit and listen? Okay, you're just gonna sniff, that's fine. So here's Y. It says, our first national park, Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana, in 3 states, Wyoming, Idaho, and Montana, was the world's first national park. In 1872, Congress created the park to protect the world's largest collection of geysers. Old Faithful, the most famous of geysers, can shoot water 200 feet into the air. Geysers occur when the water seeps down, comes into contact with the Earth's red-hot interior, and erupts to the surface. Old Faithful doesn't actually go off on the hour, but by using a simple formula, park rangers can study the last eruption and predict the next eruption to within minutes. Yellowstone is a natural wonder, not only of geysers, but also of mountains, forests, rivers, waterfalls, and wildlife. Yellowstone has the largest herds of free-roaming elk and bison in the lower 48 states. There are valleys, and then there is the valley in Yosemite National Park in California, one of our national treasures. Cut by glaciers during the last ice age, Yosemite Valley is 7 miles long, up to 1 mile wide, and almost 1 mile deep. 5 of the world's 10 highest waterfalls drop off its walls of polished granite. El Capitan and Half Dome, 2 of Yosemite Valley's dramatic cliffs, are some of the most famous sights in our national parks. And here it says Y is for Yellowstone, and you can count the hour when Old Faithful blows its top in a show of geyser power. And here's a picture, greetings from Yosemite. That's interesting. All right. And today's National Day, we have a couple of them. It's World Password Day. So boys and girls, please remember to keep your passwords safe. We have lots of different passwords nowadays with all the technology. Keep it safe. Don't share it with anybody. You should change it often, except for your school password you can't change. And the longer the password, the better. And keep it mixed up with letters, words, and special characters. And it's also Barrier Day. This was started in 1986, and this recognizes the difficulties that people with disabilities may have. So barriers might be something physical, like if you are in a wheelchair and you need to get into a building and there's steps, the steps would be a barrier for that person. But there's also invisible barriers for people that have maybe learning disabilities. So those of you that don't know, I was a special education teacher, so I spent a lot of time, and I still spend a lot of time, breaking down those barriers for our people that have disabilities. So take notice of those today. And the food for today is roast leg of lamb. I don't know if you like roast leg of lamb. Some people do, some people don't. But today is the day for roast leg of lamb. And let's see, Archer, you found a piece of wood. Archer loves to chew on wood. I don't know where you found that. He found it underneath the porch that's probably falling apart. You're a good boy. So boys and girls, I hope that you have a great day today. Happy Thursday. Happy Thankful Thursday. Remember to thank your teachers. Remember to practice your field day events for tomorrow. And I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.